Well, welcome back. Again, this is Mr. Michael, and I am going to complete now the star and shell, our passenger base. So we're going to continue. Let's go ahead and we're going to make a new sketch. We're going to put it on top. Now, we had to do this a little differently because a circular pattern up in here, it doesn't lend itself very well for shelling, not all the time. So I am going to go ahead and use construction lines. Make sure these are straight. And we're going to put a circle down on here. Make sure that it's in the center. Now, we can dimension these. This is 0.488 from the center to the bottom piece is going to be 0.363, and the circle is going to be at 0.605. Now I'm also in my construction lines, I'm going to make a pentagon. So we click on the polygon, I change the sides to 5, come in here, put it on the center. Now you can see, rotate them. I want this point down here to be, so now we're going to come in with another line. And that one also will be dimensioned from here to here. And this is going to be 0.187. Now, we could also have come up with two circles, a circumscribed and an inscribed circle around here. But to me, I think this is pretty simple as well. So I'm going to go ahead and, still in the construction line, I'm going to draw a line from this point straight until it intersects here. Then I'm going to come from this point and I'm going to, where it intersects, the same point. Now, I'm going to, just for clarity, I'm going to erase this line so you guys have a better view of what's here. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and start erasing this one as well. So I am going to now come in here and I'm going to rotate. I'm going to make circle. And you can see that right now it's still set on 6. I want 5. Now, let's go ahead and start erasing a lot of this extra line work. Just make it a lot easier to see things, a lot clearer. Okay, so now I'm going to come in and I'm going to redraw this star. Now I'm going to get out of my construction line. I'm going to come in here with the line and I'm going to come from that little green dot to the intersection, this green dot to the intersection, the corner, 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 corner. Well, you see what I'm doing. Wherever the line is that is a construction line, I am going to draw a real line now, because the real lines will shell. Okay, so that's in the right position. It's a 5-pointed pattern, so let's go ahead and finish. And I am going to extrude, and we'll turn around the direction around, so it'll be a cut. I could hit cut, but turn the direction around and we'll extrude that way. It knows it's still at the right distance. Everything's good. I still like to hit my enter on the keyboard. You could hit your little green check mark if you want. So that now, let's go ahead and show the top view. Let's go ahead and rotate it around. You see it is now drawn. Since I'm in rotate, let's go ahead and put the bottom up, because to shell, we're going to come in up here and to modify the shell. It's according to the edge, the shell thickness is 0.01. And I want to obviously click the bottom of the material, so you can see everything is drawn. So again, hit enter. And now let's go back to rotating, and we'll see how everything is. It's now a shell. You see that the radiuses, the square, the triangle, the star, the circle, all the edges, it's now a extruded plastic part like we would expect to see in any of the toys. So now this is now complete. This is the base. So we'll hit center. Again, it is the passenger base underscore my initials, and this is the one. So this completes this video, and we'll go on with other videos with the next part. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, let me know.